thing Bobo go through for them turban. And when him reach all at 90, you know. No, if I don't Rasta again, but you understand, go back all them fists and all. You know the way there. It's about all back all them fists with them all 80, 70-year-old. They look. Man, we don't disrespect Muta, that more thing we know. But Muta, the pan radar say, like the drop in on me head. When me a perform. And yeah, me a rock and call himself a Rasta. Come on, Muta. Remember, be a white girl, you're fucking a Muta. You there would be a white girl. Fantan-mojah was a real Rasta youth in Jamaica. And them know. Yeah, we don't eat pussy. And we don't fuck batty. We clean. And we love people. So you do. Long are you.
Yeah, for here, Muta now, our talk. Why fantan-mojah don't just go in a hotel with them girlie and do him thing and make sure them do over smart?
Remember, Muta radio come talk, say Muta lockdown with Shim the Brace for you know. And Bob Marley put them kick off, he do and say, freak boy. Give him a blood clot, girl.
Yes,
and I knew the man say lockdown and just them nude. And him talk for radio same just nude. So when you nude, you're naked. Nude is naked. So you try to tell some Muta, be able to yourself, man. No for the Rasta we are talking, we have some fucking bowcat to you know. Fucking, we don't Rasta not dread. Yeah, it's a badman Rasta. And the boy that when me say plan to rush me, remember me gang.
Yeah, so fantan-mojah talk in mind and also mention that Bob Marley catch Muta with his baby mother. Bob Marley kick off the door and, you know, and Muta, I say, boy, him never say a thing like that. So fantan-mojah have to go talk when get the information there from. And furthermore, you have to go come on national radio call, apologize to both him and Bob Marley's wife. So you see, with this religion and culture business, it does divide people, you know. And if you say you're in a culture, you have to stick to it or else you're going to get bashed. That's why I not put myself in a damn thing there. Yeah, so listen what Muta have to say about that. And please remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, do it for me now, please.
Morning, I get a video from Miami. The video of the fantan-mojah in there. I make some really defamatory argument. I don't know where we get these things, but he must tell me how we get that, where we get that from. Me want fantan-mojah in all I travel to tell me which white woman that everybody used to meet. He must tell me where he get this argument about the meet with white woman. And the second thing, the female were mentioned as it relates to Bob. Which continent and when him hear me say that? When him hear me call a woman upon the radio? He must tell me that because I have to talk to me lie about it. So if you know answer me, he must answer a lie about where him get, because that's inflammatory, not only for me, but for the woman who mentioned in the something. You understand? And obviously she will hear it. And then no, he not have a concern with me. But I forgot to talk to him friend them. He must talk to me, the public. Maybe more have to apologize to, because he have to tell me the evidence we have for the two things them were mentioned. He must have the evidence. I have to turn up on the radio and apologize about it.
Yeah, so as far as me can see, Muta feel upset about what fantan-mojah say. And what Muta say at first, he get fantan-mojah one part two. But I tell you, yeah man. Anyways, what's your comment about all this that is going on? Do you think that Muta shouldn't involve himself in what fantan-mojah is doing? Do you think what fantan-mojah is doing, it's a good look in terms of Rastafarian and the Bobo and the Bingy camp? Well, let me know in the comment. But as far as I can see, Bob Marley and his wife shouldn't come in at this. And culture is culture. So that's my point. So let me know what you guys think about this.